Good morning children. Namaste. Myself Nehal Rawal welcome you all in this video class. You all are happy and safe at home. So please be at home. Please don't go outside anywhere, and if it's needed to go out somewhere, so please use safety precautions while going out. Please wear your mask, sanitize your hands, and when you come back to your home, so please wash your hands properly. If we will use these safety precautions, then and then we can fight against corona. Thank you. Now let's move on our topic. Children, can you see these things lying over here? Yes. What is it? It is a newspaper, right? And what is it used for? It is used for reading for only one day. But on the next day we are getting one new newspaper. So what we are doing with this newspaper? We are just collecting all these newspapers and just selling these newspapers to that passiwala, right? We are not doing anything else with this. But do you know we can do something new or something creative out of this waste or old newspaper? Let me show you something. Okay, can you see this? Yes, what is it? It is a basket. And from which is it made from? It is made from the newspaper which is I shown you earlier, which we find just old or waste, but out of them we can make this best thing out of the waste or old newspaper. So isn't it beautiful, right? We can make new and creative things from which we find the things which are waste for us. Let's see few more examples of that. See in this picture what the girl is doing. The girl is doing nothing. She is just writing, and whenever she finds that the writing is not proper, so she is just folding the paper and throwing in the dustbin. But should we do that? No, we should not throw that pages in the dustbin, but we should use that paper to make something creative, because the paper is not just waste. We can make something waste out of that waste. Now in the next picture you can see what are these. These are the basket and a piece of art made out of the waste paper. It is looks so beautiful. You can see in the pictures. After that we can see the image of small piece and the bits of clothes, right? So what can we make out of this? You will think that it's just waste and we will throw them in the dustbin. But no, we can make something creative out of that. See, we can make something like doormat and our hairbands from the waste pieces of that clothes. So this is very important, and our topic is based on this only, that if we are finding the things which are waste for us, but out of that we can make so many beautiful things and so many creative things. So today's our topic is our lesson number 3, wonderful waste. Okay, so now we will learn and read this story. Let's get started. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. The Maharaja was there. It's a story of ancient time actually. At that time the Maharaja or the king were ruling in our country. So at that time the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand feast in his palace in that evening. Feast means in Hindi we can say that dawat. He invited all his guests for the dinner in the evening time. Do you know who was Maharaja of Travancore? Yes, you can see in these images. This is the image of Maharaja of Travancore. And you can see that both images of the palace of the Maharaja of Travancore. And Do you know that where Travancore is located? Yes, it is located in the state of Kerala. You can see the map of our India, and under that map you can see that Kerala is located downstairs, and in that the Travancore city is located. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. On that day, in the afternoon time, Maharaja went to survey, like to examine the dishes, that which type of dishes are being made for that evening. What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? He asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. He asked to his cook that what are you going to do with this vegetable scraps? Scraps means vegetable peels, like the leftover part of the vegetable which is waste, that we are throwing in the dustbin, we are not using them. But Maharaja asked for that vegetable scraps, that what that cook is going to do with that vegetable scraps. The cook replied, they are waste, we will throw them away. The cook replied to him that these all are waste, these all are vegetable scraps, and they all are leftover parts of the vegetables, so we can't use them, we will just throw them in the dustbin. You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them, the Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. The Maharaja told sternly to the cook that you cannot waste all the scraps or peels of vegetables. You must find the way to use them in a cooking dish. You can't just throw them away. And he commanded sternly means seriously. And he walked away from there. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. The cook was in a situation that he couldn't even escape from there, and he was just staring. Staring means looking to something or somebody continuously. So he was just continuously looking at that vegetable scraps, that what can be done with that vegetable scraps to make a cooking dish. Suddenly an idea flashed across his mind. Suddenly he went across an idea in his mind. He got an idea that how to use that vegetable scraps. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them well and cleaned them well. He took all that vegetable bits means pieces of the vegetable, and he washed them properly and cleaned them well. Then he cut them into long strips. Then he cut all these vegetable scraps into long strips. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. He took all that vegetable strips and put them into a huge pot and placed it on a fire to cook them well. Next he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic together. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetable. He ground some coconut, then green chilies and garlic together and made a paste, and he added that paste to the vegetables and a pinch of salt for taste in that vegetable strips. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Tempting means attractive. An attractive smell was coming out from that pot. Now he waved some curd and added it to the curry. He also poured few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Now he whipped, he just melted that curd and added it to that curry, and also he poured some spoonfuls like some drops of coconut oil and decorated that dish with curry leaves. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. Lo and behold, it means that see the surprise. The new dish was ready to be served. The cook served that dish to the guest in that evening. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought. Then a name came to his mind. The guests were so happy and the dish was so tasty, so they ate so well and they were eager to know the name of the dish which has been served to him. So the cook started thinking then which name should be given to this new dish, because he does not know the name of the dish because he made a new dish. So that's why he was started thinking, and then he got a name. It was Avial. He named that dish Avial. Now Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. And imagine, it all came from a basket of waste. So now Avial became famous, popular in all over the Kerala, and now it's called a traditional dish in Kerala. And it all, you know that it all came from basket of the waste which we are just throwing away in the dustbin, but we can just see that the dish which is made out of the waste, but it is a new dish became Avial. Now you can see some wonderful things. You sharpen your pencil and you are just throwing that dust in the dustbin. But do you know that you can make something creative out of that? Yes, you can make, see the two pictures, you can make wonderful, beautiful flower pots out of that dust. Some more wonderful things. See, you can make out of that paper. You can just color the paper and you can make a beautiful drawing, natural drawings out of that papers. Few more wonderful things you can see which is made from wood. You can make from ice cream sticks, right? Like a house, a basket, that so many things, a box. You can make so many creating things out of waste. Do you know what do we learn from this story? Reuse, reduce and recycle. The things which we find waste, but we can reuse the things and we can reduce the part which is not useful, and we can recycle the things to make something creative out of that, something beautiful things out of that. So now you just learn this lesson, understand this lesson and read this lesson from your textbook. Thank you.